Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to request access to Shopify store. Let's get started. In order to do that, just head over in here on your settings. And then after you have done that, it should be able to open the settings of your Shopify. Click on this users and permissions. And then in here, you should be able to see the permissions that you have. Now, under this top account right here, you can click on this compare plans right here in order to subscribe for plans that you have. And in here, you should be able to see some staff accounts that you can have. So as you can see, the basic plan doesn't have that. Shopify plan has 5. Advanced has 15, while the Plus is actually depending on how many we want. So let's head back on our users and permissions. And in here, you should be able to see these collaborators. So make sure that only people with a collaborator request code can send our collaborator request. So you can click on this generate new code right here, and then click on this generate code in order to generate the code in order to send this to your collaborator request. So copy this one and then send this to the people that you want to share collaboration with on your Shopify store. Under here, you should be able to see as well the login services that you can actually edit in order to help stop use some permissions that you have on your Shopify store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.